still struggling with production bottlenecks and over-reliance on manual labor? Our 4-extrusion production line delivers high efficiency and stability, ensuring continuous, uninterrupted operation. Precise control with intelligent temperature management in servo drives. User-friendly operation through a human-centric central control system. We provide not only professional equipment, but a complete production solution for cost reduction, efficiency boost, and quality improvement.